A&Z CNC International is pioneer in dental and dental implant instruments. A small unit in compact form having all the necessary process in-house. We are manufacturing high-quality standard material according to the requirements of our clients. Our entire production line is paced, and when precision comes in, we use CNC machines. We have trained engineers and skilled workforce of 20 to 50 craftsmen trained in-house. Apart from training of our staff, we arrange training consultancy of industry people of our association and industries. The company was founded by Mr. Muhammad Zaid in the year 2006. Right from the establishment, A&Z CNC International established its presence in the industry as a leader in dental implant instruments. We have R&D in-house and are associated with CBI, the Netherlands official organization with promotion of exports from developing countries, where our performance is at the top amongst the Pakistani companies. A&Z CNC International is a certified company with certifications of ISO 9001-2008, ISO 13485, CE, ISO 14001. We're trying to meet the customer satisfaction with 0% rejection rate through continuous production and innovation development, on-time delivery, and fair prices. To provide optimum quality products to our customers, we provide excellent services as per customer specification or drawings, offering quality products with highest degree of precision and quality, and to provide after-sale services as efficiently and economically as possible. We welcome your request for special tools, private labeling, packaging, logos, and other requirements that will aid you in building and promoting your brand.